Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram call not working. Instagram audio or video call not working on it. Instagram, don't worry. Here's our easy fix that works. Instagram call needs strong internet. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn your airplane mode on then off. Weak internet connection cause call won't connect. If Instagram cannot access your mic or camera, call won't work. For that, go to the setting of your iPhone, tap on app. After that, scroll down and find Instagram and make sure permissions are turned on microphone and camera. If the call button is missing or call fail instantly, you may be blocked or restricted. In that case, call won't go through. Call issue often happens on old version. For that, go to the App Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram and make sure it's updated. You can also restart your phone, turn your phone off, wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Restarting clears small box. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. Found this video helpful? Drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.